Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Have you ever run a discount campaign and realized customers are getting way more off than you planned? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to set 10% discount in Shopify with a maximum cap so your profits stay safe. And before we start, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more Shopify growth hacks. So imagine a customer orders a $5,000 worth of products. 10% means they get $500 off. That's way too much, right? This is where the maximum discount cap comes in. With a maximum discount cap set at $200, you are protecting your margin while still rewarding your customers. For this, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have attached the link to the app in the description box. Just grab it from there and follow along. Once installed it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Choose the discount type as discount code and add a discount code as Save 200. I'm planning to give 10% discount with a capping amount of 200. And I can also set the discount applies to for all products or a specific product or a specific collection. For now, I'm choosing it for the all products. I can also set up a minimum purchase requirement here. So I'm adding 2000 rupees as my minimum purchase amount. And the customer eligibility, I'm now adding for all customers, which means this offer will be available for all the customers. I can also limit the number of times this discount can be used in total. For example, if I'm planning to give the offer is applicable for the first 100 users, then I can set it up as 100. Or I can choose the option as limited to one use per customer so that this offer will be applicable for the customer only one time. And I can also set the activated time on end time, like the offer will be available from these dates. And also I can combine the discount with the existing discount codes like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. After entering all this, I can just save the changes. And I'm just checking whether the discount is got activated from the discount section. Now we can see that Save 200 is got activated. Now we can just check it out from the online store. For now, I'm adding a product worth $5,000. I'm adding my discount code here as Save 200. See, since the 10% of 5,000 is 500, we have added a cap at 200, so the amount will not exceed more than 200 here. Similarly, I can check whether with some other products. Now I'm just going to buy a product of rupees 749. Now applying it, you can see that the code is not valid for this product because we have already set up a minimum purchase requirement as 2000. So it will not be applicable here. So what you are waiting for? Install the app and set this up in your own store. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.